Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing some galaxy nails on these medium size coffin tips, and I'm using this cat eye gel that I show you guys on my witch haul. The video is already on my YouTube. I love it. Honestly, it took almost 2 months to get here. One thing that I would say is that I would like this to be a little bit darker than what it is. I think if the color was darker, it would be 100 times better. Because, I mean, look at this color, it's beautiful. But if it was darker, I mean, it would be 100 times better. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you think if it was darker, it would look much better than what it looks now. But for today's video, what I'm trying to use this is for as a background into the nail tip because we are going to be using foils to do the galaxy nails. We're going to be using metal decoration, and also I will be using sticker like zodiac sign stickers. So there will be a lot of decoration on these nails. So this color don't matter. Hopefully I can find it in a darker color because I really, really like it. So these are all the things that I'm going to be using. These are the zodiac signs. So I'm gonna start with cutting the foil. I think it's better to cut the foil in my own opinion because you will have better control. Also, I like to work one nail at a time, but I'm using foil because that way I prevent the foil from sticking in another nail when I'm working with the nail next to it. So I'm gonna use my favorite foil gel to adhere the foil into my nail tips. And once I do this, I will cure in lamp for 60 seconds. And I will work one nail at a time, just that way I prevent the foil to get into my other nails. And I think it lasts better when you work one nail at a time because that way it's fresh. The foil glue is fresh when you work on that foil glue instead of leaving it there just sitting there until you get to that nail. I don't know. That's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. So what I'm doing here is I'm rubbing the rubber part into the foil. That's how you make that transfer with the foil. And I'm not looking into a perfect transfer because I'm gonna use a lot of decoration. So if you guys see that in some part your foil didn't transfer, that's fine. Go back and rubber again. And if that doesn't work, just put more foil glue, curing lamp, and repeat the process again. Most of the time, you don't have to do it again. You just rub it again, the foil into the nail tip, and it will stick to it. But now you guys know that's usually what I do. So I'm not gonna do the same thing in all of the nails, meaning I'm not gonna place the foil the same way. On this one, I just did halfway, and on two of the nails, as you guys can see, I did the full nail with the foil. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this chrome gel. It is kind of like a silver greenish color, beautiful. And I'm gonna go on the sides. You see how the foil only gets to one side, is not in the full nail. So on the sides of the nail, like the corners, I will put this beautiful chrome gel, and I will keep doing that in all of the nails. And once I'm done, I cure for 60 seconds, and now I'm using the top coat from Adhere Beauty to put the decoration on the nail tip. Now, if you have construction gel, you can use it as well instead of the top coat. If you have base gel, you can use it, or if you have any type of glue gel for decoration, is better as well. I'm just using the top coat because I had it next to me, so that's why I grab it to uh, make the decoration adhere to the nail, if that makes sense. So you can also encapsulate this if you want to, or just leave it like that without encapsulation. In my case, I'm not gonna encapsulate, but you can also do that if you want. So what I'm doing, I'm placing the decoration and I'm flash curing at the same time because sometimes the decorations can move around. So when I'm done with one nail and I'm happy with how the decoration is placed, then I flash cure. Of course, at the end, everything will go in the lamp for 60 seconds. So it's just a way to flash cure so you don't move around while working in other nails. So this metal part decoration, placing like stars, like moons and stars. Also some, I think it's like some lights on it, like some star with a, I don't know, that's how they call it, like star shine. I don't know this one. I don't know how you call this one, but that's what I'm talking about. And I also add in some mini stars and more moon decoration. So I will continue doing that. And I also will be placing the stickers with the zodiac sign. And once I'm done with the stickers, and you guys can see how beautiful are the stickers, and they go together with the gold metal decoration because everything is gold, so let's make everything gold. But except the middle finger that it has those silver glitter. So what I'm done by now with all the decoration. I'm gonna put the top coat, and with this top coat, you can go on top of the glitter, which is fine. But I don't try to go on top of the metal decoration because the top coat is not that thick to do that. I don't think you should do that with top coat, so I'm just going around that. But I'm going over the sticker, of course. This will prevent the sticker from lifting. So you have to put top coat so they don't lift, so they get secure. And you curing them for about 60 seconds, and you will be done. So the next thing I have to do is put cuticle oil, and I will be done. So I will take this time to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. We are very close to 500 subscribers. As soon as we reach that goal, I will do the giveaway that I told you guys. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where I post everything. I will link all the links that I'm mentioning, also my social media in the description box, so you guys can find them very easily. Follow me on Instagram. I also have Facebook. You can also follow me there. Leave in the comment section what you think about live videos. I was thinking about start doing live videos maybe here and now, maybe once a week or a Saturday. I don't know. I have to figure it out. I have everything I need to do a live video. So I would like to know if you guys prefer the live video here on YouTube or Twitch or what was the other one? Facebook or Instagram. So let me know which one you prefer to see the live video. If I do one where it will be better to watch. If I do it on Instagram, I can save it and put it on YouTube. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I will be reading them. I hope you guys enjoy this simple and easy Galaxy nail tutorial. I will be posting more videos, so don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.